Hey all, welcome back to DesignCafe's YouTube channel. I'm Ananya Jois, your interior architect, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Well, today we're here at Mr Srikanth's gorgeous 3 BHK. Now, the couple did not want anything ordinary and they wanted all high-end premium finishes. Now, every room in this house has been designed according to the family member living there. Let's go inside and see how this beautiful house has turned out. Since there was no dedicated foyer space, we created it by adding a shoe rack and a seater. The living room and the foyer is separated by this beautiful jhula. The walls are adorned with wallpaper and brass T-putty, so is the false ceiling. We've also added mirror paneling to make the space look luxe. The couple did not want any wall to be empty, so the TV unit has a 3D port for back panel and open shelves to display articles. The dining area has been designed with a crockery and a closed puja unit. The kitchen is fully loaded with pristine white acrylic finish. The backsplash is of lacquered glass which can be easily cleaned and maintained. We have added open units with a pop of color to break the monotony. Well, now moving on to the bedroom. Now, each of these bedrooms have been personally customized to every family member of the house, be it the master bedroom, the daughter's bedroom, or even the parents' bedroom. Well, here's how it's turned out. The master bedroom is designed with a combination of subtle and bold colors. We've included the combination of multiple textures and materials to make sure that the space is out of the ordinary and not so boring. A dresser, study and storage is seamlessly blended together all in one wall to optimize the space to its fullest. The couple wanted the kids' bedroom to be bright and happening, and they did not want any wall to be left empty. Now, with this brief in mind, we created this dreamy space with cloud-shaped false ceiling, a very interesting back panel running from ceiling to wall with cove lights, along with a Hollywood-style dresser unit next to a comfortable study table. The floor-to-ceiling wardrobes have multiple drawers to make it easy to use and to break the monotony, along with these fun handles. This room is dedicated to the parents and it is designed according to their taste and preference. The room is kept fairly simple with lots of circulation space, a simple storage and a study unit. Well, hey guys, I hate to say that we're at the end of this home tour, but I would love to know your thoughts about this beautiful home. And if you're looking to get your home interiors done, don't forget to leave all your details in the form in our description box. Also, if you love this video, don't forget to like, share and spread the love. Until next time, stay home, stay safe and see you all.